take it at the end of the road, turn right. So you're good. So it's a hill start, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you don't brake early. Okay, keep going slowly.
Yeah.
Good. Then put your clutch down first. Then car roll forward. Yeah. Then you go to which gear?
First?
The first gear. A completely blind area, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now, no, you can't release. You can't release your foot brake.
No.
Put your handbrake on quickly. Remember how you find the bite? Setting the gas. Okay.
I've got my foot off the brake, yeah?
Yeah, off the foot brake because that's you got the handbrake on already. Okay. So set the gas to 1.5.
Yeah.
Find the bite. Good. Hold them two together. That's it. Handbrake down and look both sides carefully. Yeah, don't release the clutch all the way. Just on the biting point. Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Yeah, then steer right. Look into right first. Then left. Then right again. And keep going, peeping up slowly. Peep and creep slowly. Check again and keep steering to the right. Yeah, really close to the car. So steer right. And then that was it. That was the hill start.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wasn't great.
Yeah. And take the next one on the right from please. Yeah, give me a second, that's fine. So do your checks. Yeah, tell them what we're doing. Good. Keep to your side of the road. Gentle brake, no rush. Have you seen the pedestrian? Gentle brake, no clutch yet.
Ooh, no clutch yet.
No clutch yet. Okay, we'll clutch on, go to first gear then. It's safe for us to go?
Yeah.
Remember your side of the road.
It's safe, yeah?
Yeah, so carry on. Good. Have you seen the hazard?
Yeah, I think that.
As you see, every time we turn into road, something has to happen.
Yeah.
Like,
It's
is it clear for us to go?
Yes.
Then, push more gas.
And then clutch down.
Clutch down, off gas. Second gear, that's good. And then find somewhere to pull up on the left one, please.
Okay.
So
I'm just going to go
maybe after the blocker.
behind the, yeah.
So do your checks. And then tell them what we're doing. But you're going too fast.
Yeah.
Slow down more. Then clutch down.
So I can. Oh, yeah, that's not nice.
That's okay. Carry on. Bit more to the left. Don't worry about the driver with this occasion. Straight on the top, and then stop there. Good. See, when you're going downhill, if you put the clutch down too early, what happens? You start to pick up speed, aren't you? Yeah. So when you're going downhill, you start with your brake first. So remember BBC. So brake, clutch down. Yeah. And if you're going uphill, if you start to brake, what's gonna happen? You instantly stall because you don't have leverage to go up. Yeah. So when incline, then you need to push gas to go to the junction, then clutch down, then you go to change gear.
Yeah. So.
Drive over ready, please. Yeah.
Okay. We're going left. Sorry.
Yeah. At the end of the road, we're gonna turn left.
Oh wait.
No gears. How you find the bite? You found the bite now. That's good.
Oh no.
The downhill, really do you need a bite? Downhill, do you really need a biting point? No, the car is just gonna roll, isn't it?
Okay. Well, not as soon as I.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Okay. I'm just gonna wait for these guys to go.
Have you noticed that every time we were trying to do something, that it becomes more?
Yeah, like I'm like, oh.
All this time was empty. As soon as you start to move off, there's people come from everywhere.
Hazards everywhere. Okay, so. I don't think he's stopped.
Most likely
so. Oh, there's someone coming now though.
Okay, gently brake and wait. Fine, check the blind spot for me, please. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
So at the end of the road, turn left.
Okie dokie.
Good, checking the reverse one now.
Very well.
Okay,
So,
remember, start to brake, gentle brake, no clutch, brake, clutch down, and then wait. Do you think it's by the risk?
is he saying go?
Yeah.
But there's someone else there, so.
The signal left, that's to carry on going slowly. They got to have to stop there.
Yeah.
Find the bike, and then stay left. next row on the left.
Okay.
Please, yeah, just here.
Okay, oh, this lap.
Mhm. Signal left again, please. That's good. No need to clutch down this time.
Yeah.
Carry on going, covering your brake in case. Okay, and then look into the road. Not even light gas because you're going uphill, isn't it? Yeah, and you
Yeah.
straighten it up.
It's a bit jumpy.
Jump and then push more gas, more, because uphill, more gas, more. Off gas, clutch down. Second gear, that's it. That's a hill start again.
Yeah.
Okay, and then pull up on the left and you have safe, convenient, legal place, please.
Okay.
Remember, it's uphill, so you push more gas. Yeah, mirror check, signal left, so gas, yeah, keep pushing gas. That's good.
I'm gonna
Nothing
just
else,
pull
yeah,
in.
keep pushing slow gas,
Okay.
slow gas, and then if you're happy to pull up on the left here,
Yeah.
then clutch down, and then gently brake. Complete stop.
No.
Yes, okay, handbrake on, neutral, so cancel signal, and relax.